Your divine masculine needs you more than ever. He's moving through dark fears to make space for your beautiful union to flourish. Hello, beautiful listeners. Today, the card deck that I am using is the Moonology Oracle cards by Yasmin Boland. So, a lot of information coming out. What I can feel before the reading itself is the feminine is a bit disturbed because of the masculine's behavior. So, not to worry, we are diving right in. The first card is for the feminines. This time, the first card is for the feminine. Have faith in your dreams. There you go. Looks like there's a lot of fear here, and you are giving into the fear just because your man is behaving in a particular way, in a way that you it's bringing in probably abandonship wounds. It might be bringing in ghosting, or they are blocking you, or they're trying to disown you and run, or however it is. Have faith in your dreams. What you felt, the love you felt is real. Nobody can take that love away from you. Have faith in that and hold on to that. Always remember, a man is not the source of your love. The love you felt for your man is always in your heart, and you can access it any time by simply getting touch in your heart. So bring in a lot of faith. This is the first very powerful message that is coming in. And the second card for the feminine is it's time to take action. Okay. So, what is the action that you need to take right now? It also feels like coming into your power. That's what I am seeing here. And towards the end of the reading, I'm picking cards for the masculine. So do wait and see what is there. And obviously, the solutions also will be provided with the card reading. So, yes, it is time to take action. It's showing the activate your power, your solar plexus. That is the action you need to take in a situation like this. If there is a lot of fear, take your power back right now from the fear. Your man, your masculine, especially if it is your twin flame, is not going to go anywhere. There is no way separation is real. So take your power back from the fearful thoughts and bring yourself back to your power. When you are in your power, feminines, it's easier to attract the divine masculine version. Okay, so this is the second card. Hold your vision. Okay, yes, again, more faith. Understand you have chosen at your core your union or your harmonious union, or whatever the vision is that you want to come into union, reunion. Hold that vision. It doesn't matter what the masculine is showing right now to you. You stick to your vision, and that will help you achieve it. Okay, it is showing a half moon here, but it's because you cannot see the full moon, right? But the moon is still full. You are not half or incomplete because your man has taken space to heal. It is okay to take space and heal. So give your masculine the space to heal. Do not feel incomplete because he has taken out space to heal. He is healing something very deep and very strong. It feels like there's a lot of fear based healing going on. So trust and understand that you are already complete. It is just that right now, due to no light on the other side, you're not able to see your whole self. So invite light there and you will be able to see your whole self. Do not worry. There is a lot of worry and fear based feeling I'm seeing here. Half of your side is in darkness. So, because of the half moon, I am seeing, so bring light to the truth that you have moved through several other problems in the union itself or in this particular relationship. So this is nothing, this is a cakewalk for you. Do not give power to the darkness, to the fear. Understand that you are whole and complete, and your divine masculine is not the source to complete you. The divine, the universe, God made you as a whole and complete being. You don't need a man to complete you or bring you into completion. When you are already feeling complete, that is when the man will be attracted to you and will come back to you feeling complete in them. Right. So the next card for the feminine is show the world the real you. Oh, okay. That's a nice one. I like that because in this phase of fear, show your power. Who are you? Your power is your love and your divine femininity. Divine feminines are receivers, and if you relax in your power, if you relax and have faith in the divine, faith in the universe that the universe will bring your divine masculine to you. If you relax in your being, in your real self, and if you relax and enjoy and have a good time, then it is almost 100% guaranteed that your man will just come and stick to you. This is what I am seeing. The real you is feminines are supposed to be very relaxed in their own being and supposed to feel protected and guarded and loved. And the source of that is the universe, God, divine, whatever you want to name it. The source of that is already within you, and it is not in your masculine. Your masculine comes close to you and makes you feel that way because you're already feeling that way within, and it is a extra gift to have that sort of masculine love in your life because you have conquered this safety, this feeling, this protection within you. So show the world the real you. Show your man that you are shining and you are the queen, and the queen needs to be loved, and the queen needs to relax and let the queen be served. Okay, so stay in your power and ask the universe to bring your divine masculine back to you. Bring him back to me from his separation consciousness or from his fear consciousness. All right. So, here, one more thing you can do is do physical activities that might help you relax. That is spa or a nice bath or any cleansing bath like a salt bath with a lot of flowers, or any sort of cleansing modalities, cleansing yourself with sage, or any sort of cleansing modality which will help you, or a salt bath itself. Just breathing also will help. I can feel the heart is pretty tight, so loosen up your heart. Bring love there. Allow the real version of you. The real version of you is filled with love and confidence. A woman who is beautifully able to attract and manifest everything in her reality. So claim your power back yet again, same point. Then a fiery climax approaches. Okay. Okay, so if you do this, that is, if you come back into your power and if you relax in yourself, and if you choose for yourself what your reality should be, free of fear, not giving power to your masculine separation consciousness, and just choosing for yourself that yes, I choose to be in union, I choose us, I choose love, I choose our reunion at the core, then, well, a fiery climax approaches, which is pretty nice, where the masculine is ready to make a lot of space for you to have a wonderful date, a lot of romance. So, fiery climax is also a lot of intimacy, which is beautiful. It is cherry on the topping. Very nice. I love this card. So, congratulations. Whoever manages to move through this, a fiery climax, approaches them. Your masculine will come to you in full romance with flowers and chivalry. How nice. What a beautiful card this is. So the next card is for the masculine. I have asked. The answers you need are coming. So, yes, it is a Gemini card. It's a full moon. So, there you go. Looks like the darkness is going to vanish if you come into your power, if you heal, and if you feel peaceful, and if you feel relaxed in your being, standing in your power, claiming your power, then definitely you will be able to have union. So the answers you need are coming. There you go. So this is the message the world is giving you, the universe is giving you, and also the moon is giving you. It's a full moon. So the answers you have been asking for, it feels like, when am I going to have this? Or how am I going to have this? Or will I be ever accepted? Well, it is already coming. It is going to be answered. Just go back into your power. Your power does not mean that you push away the masculine and see them separate. Your power means that you relax in yourself and allow the man to come and swoop you off the fiery climax, right? So the answers you need are coming. So maybe that was the question you were asking, like, is this man going to come to me? Will he accept me? Will he claim me? Do you choose to claim yourself? Do you choose to accept yourself? How can you give yourself love and self acceptance? And how can you, like, own yourself more? See yourself in the mirror, maybe, and tell yourself, I love you. So do these physical activities also so that you can stay connected to your physical self. How will you feel accepted in the physical, in your body? Are you accepting your body as it is? Are you giving a lot of acceptance to your beauty as it is? So look into these kind of minimal details. Then confidence is your key to success. Nice. So again, staying powerfully, knowing the whole universe is supporting you. I can see a lot of support. So call in your spirit guides, your angels, the divine, and call in divine mother's support also, so that you can bring in this confidence and you can bring in this success. There is 100% success happening here. That is, there's going to be a romantic, spicy, nice date or nice relationship that's going to happen, but you need to trust, have faith. So it's a process. First, there'll be extreme fear and some darkness. And then once you go through that, the brain naturally, the reptilian brain, this is science, the reptilian brain naturally starts trusting. So when you trust, the next thing that happens to trust is faith. After faith comes confidence. And as a result of confidence, success. All this is like a array of events that will happen. So choose your confidence and your success. There you go. So do you choose your success? Do you choose your confidence? Do you choose to be confident right now? What will make you feel confident right now? It's okay. It's okay to, just dress up and look good and feel good and feel and Be your best self and look at yourself in the mirror and see, do you feel confident? This person who you are seeing, do you feel happy looking at her? So, coming into your confidence is your key to success. There you go. And confidence naturally comes from a place of divinity. So, try and align to the divine nature of yourself, or just call in Divine Mother to teach you how to do this. And it's okay if you don't know how to connect to Divine Mother, you can just start feeling confident in your body, in how you look at yourself in the mirror, or in how you feel, or just look at yourself in the mirror and see where all you feel insecure. Give yourself a lot of love there, probably, and build up your confidence. See what are the activities that will build up your confidence. Is it going for a dance workout? Is it going for a creative activity that will build up your confidence? Or is it going and talking to people more that is going to build up your confidence? See what will help you build up your confidence so that you can have 100% success here. Then the end of a tough cycle approaches. Congratulations. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Yes, your man is definitely moving through some heavy fears of his own. Probably it looks like some sort of a trauma is being triggered in him, and it is coming to an end. You continue healing, you continue coming into your power. Do not go into victimhood. Choose out of victimhood, pull yourself out of there, and call yourself back into power so that you can end this difficult cycle you have been going through. There is a new cycle ready, and the old is going to go. No commitment from your masculine. All that is going to end if you manage to break through this cycle. And to break through this cycle, I would personally recommend feel your feelings and do the mirror exercise. Mirror exercise is available in the book Twin Flames Finding Your Ultimate Lover by Jeff and Shelia. So you can find the link below for it. And then the next card is Surrender to the Divine. Beautiful. So, a lot of power comes from surrendering to the divine, surrendering and letting go of control. You do not need to run behind your man or worry when will they come back. Let them go. They are yours. Because they are yours, they will come back to you. So let them go and let divine bring them in the best version of them. Right? You deserve the best version of them. You do not deserve the version who ghosts you, or who does this to you, or who does that to you. Right? So let the divine bring the best version of your masculine back to you so that you can enjoy a nice fiery climax that is showing in the card above, right? You deserve that. You deserve to be treated well. So the best place to be treated well is with divine. Go to divine to ask for everything that you need. And your masculine is also created by the divine. So if you give your heart to a man, then possibly if he's in his ego, he can crush it. But if you give your heart to the divine will love it and give you a man who will protect and love your heart. So go by the order. Do not make the man your source. Go surrender to the divine. Surrendering to the divine does not mean you give up. Surrendering to the divine means that you feel peaceful, that you are taken care of, that your man will come back to you and he will reciprocate back to your love. He will honor you, he will respect you. So you'll have a lot of faith in surrenderance and you will feel peaceful in surrenderance. So surrenderance does not mean giving up. So if you are surrendering and if you're feeling sad about it, then there is definitely some attachment issues which you might have to look into. All right, so surrender. Then what do you need to release? What do you need to release? Looks like I just spoke about attachment, and there is something you're holding on to pretty tight. It feels like control to me. So, control also comes from a place of fear or a place of loss, fear of loss. So, you will not lose what is yours, especially if it is your twin flame. You will definitely not lose them because they are you. So, any fear of loss, let it go, or any trauma, any past memories, any old wounds, release it. Take a breath and release it with me right now. Take a breath into your heart, feel it, and release it. Gentle and easy. Just gentle and easy. You've got this. Give it a color and release it. It is easy to let go of these things that are not serving you. Just gentle and easy. Very good job. There you go. Yeah. And now the energy is gaining momentum the minute you release. The last card I have received is the energy is gaining momentum. So, when you release and when you are in flow, you will 100% manifest what you need. All right. So, go ahead and manifest this and be in flow. Claim your masculine. For further reading, do contact a Ascension coach. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.